Today, we're installing the RemoteLock 6i from Lockstate, the smartest lock for your property. For this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a marker, and a drill with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Please note that many exterior residential doors are pre-drilled in a configuration that does not allow for smart locks to be installed in the lower lock location. There are two solutions to this. You can either use a cover plate to cover the upper hole, or you can move the deadbolt to the lower position and install the remote lock in the upper position. To install the latch, we slide it into the hole on the side of the door. Make sure that the curved side of the latch is facing the front side of the door. Secure the latch with the two small flat-headed screws until the face of the latch is flush with the door. Place the rubber gasket with the rounded top vertically against the door so that the large hole in the gasket is centered with the hole in the back of the door. Ensure that the gasket is perfectly aligned vertically. Use a level if needed to ensure the position. Then use a marker to mark a spot on the door through the small hole above. Once you've got your spot marked, use the drill to drill a hole all the way through to the other side of the door. Now take the gasket we just used to mark the hole and position it against the back side of the front lock housing. Insert the square spindle into the center hub in the back side of the front lock housing. Be sure that the indicator dot is to the left of the spindle. Feed the cord underneath the latch and position the lock housing flat against the front of the door. Now match up the remaining rubber gasket and metallic mounting plate. Feed the cord through the square cutout. Position the gasket and plate vertically against the door. And secure the plate to the front lock housing with the 3 screws shown. Plug the cord into the connection port on the back side of the back lock housing. Position the back lock housing against the mounting plate and secure with 2 of the screws shown in the holes above and below the locking mechanism. The 2 screws used will be based on the thickness of your door. Start with trying the shortest set first and go up in length if needed. Install 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment. Use the 2 small screws shown to secure the battery cover in place. To attach the interior handle, we ensure it's pointed away from the edge of the door and slide it into position, pressing firmly until it snaps into place. To install the front handle, first ensure that the key override slot in the center of the locking mechanism is positioned horizontally. Then, insert the key cylinder and slide the handle over the locking mechanism. Now, insert the key provided, then push the key inward and turn it clockwise 90 degrees. With the key turned, press the handle inward until it snaps into place. Finally, turn the key back to the original position and remove it. That's it. You've just installed the RemoteLock 6i from Lockstate, the smartest lock for your property. Be sure and watch our other videos to learn how to connect and program your lock.